gravy. Equal parts butter and flour. We're gonna get a roux going. That's gonna thicken up the drippings. Well, I guess the marinade. I don't really know what it would be called. Anyways, it's gonna thicken it up, and then we're gonna add chicken stock and make a yummy gravy to go on top. So 3 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons flour, equal parts. And it's gonna make a roux. It's gonna slowly come together over that heat. I got it like medium heat. And you wanna keep stirring it consistently and constantly. Having a hard time since I'm recording, but until it gives you like it's gonna smell like popcorn, like buttered popcorn. When it starts to smell like that buttered popcorn, that's when you know it's done, and you can hit it with some chicken stock. And then we're gonna mix it up again, and then get those juices from the pan, add it in, and we're gonna make ourselves a little bit of chicken gravy. I just put the chicken stock and then all of those drippings from the pan from the chicken that we baked in the oven into the roux. You see how it's starting to thicken up? It's looking really good. All right, we'll check back in a little bit, and then we're gonna season it once it gets to the consistency that we are looking for. All right, I'm just gonna slice this chicken up. Just since it has some nice little strips there, so it looks really pretty. Let me just take this end piece and give it a little try. Oh my gosh, it's so good, guys. Why can't y'all be here to taste this? Really get that herbs de Provence in there. And then the citrus, it's so refreshing and just hearty at the same time. It's a beautiful combination, y'all. Chicken's tender, juicy. Love it. All right, y'all, the peas are just getting a simple treatment of butter, salt, and pepper. Carrots, aren't they looking amazing? Orange juice, brown sugar, butter. Yum. Look at our gravy. I'm gonna season that gravy up. It's almost time to eat. I am ready. You know what, y'all? I cannot lie. I have no idea what this Yorkshire pudding is supposed to look like, but I'm guessing it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to wait for Maddie to let me know if I totally jack this up or not. But we'll cut into it in a minute and get an even better idea as to either how great this is or how royally screwed up it is.